In Cambodia, everybody rides a motorbike. From cities to villages, people of every size and shape speed along from one place to another. The Cambodian countryside spreads out in open fields and wilderness. Timeless images of crops continue for miles, providing a way of life and sustenance. Sadly, these farms cannot offer a viable living to the bulk of the population. Nearly 88% of the Cambodian people reside in rural areas where education, vocational training, and basic infrastructure virtually do not exist. Almost everyone lives in poverty, lacking adequate nutrition and basic care. Those who migrate to the city to make a better life for themselves have no guarantee they will improve their circumstances. Caught between traditional rural customs and a quickly evolving urban lifestyle, they struggle with unemployment, underemployment, and insufficient job skills. Beginning in 2002, a United Methodist missionary to Cambodia developed the Faith Engine Ministry. This ministry trains students in vehicle repair and maintenance, driving, and even supplies them with their own basic tools. In a country where everyone drives a motorbike, these skills translate into paid work. Courses are short, taking only 14 weeks, but they equip participants for the long term. Nearly 150 youths have gone through the training in the years since it began. Half have been able to secure employment and put their learning to use in the market. Local leaders have taken over the ministry to carry it forward to new groups of young Cambodians. Faith Engine Ministry gives practical and vocational lessons to people on the margins, city youth and rural migrants who would otherwise have no community or support. The program costs $350 per student and makes it possible for at-risk people to succeed and thrive in Cambodia's ever-changing culture and economy.